challenged them. I put up the voting ballot, and surprisingly, I won. And they were really, awestruck by looking at that one lady from this community is able to challenge the board. And when they saw my work, when they saw my work, my connections, my knowledge, they invite me with open hands now. Now it is my 4th term, and every year they want me in the board of directors. So people will try to pull you down. It's okay. They will learn their lessons. I want to hear from you. That's what I can relate as of now. I would like to hear from you any questions and all. And with this FTCCI, I got an opportunity of being on an international platform. So I was connected to Namibia, the Namibia government in South Africa. You remember cheetahs came from Namibia? Yes. So Namibia is a diamonds, cheetahs, De Beers, the world's best diamonds come from Namibia. So I was appointed as a trade commissioner to facilitate international trade between India and Africa. With this international connect, I could connect with all the other countries of Africa. So when you are in one position, make sure you not only do justice to that position, but also open up the other avenues where all you can learn and enhance your skills. आप अगर एक पोजीशन पे है, डोंट 9 to 5 जॉब वही मत करिए. वो कर करके आपको मोनोटनी आ जाएगा, बोर हो जाएंगे. You have to ensure what extra you can add to your profession, to your knowledge. मेरी एक बहुत बड़ी ख्वाहिश थी मैं यूपीएससी लिखूं, जो मैं मुझे सपोर्ट या पुश देने वाला कोई नहीं था. आई कुड नॉट अटेंड दैट, बट अल्लाह के फजल से आई हैड स्टार्टेड एन नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन 2 years बैक, एंड आई एम प्राउड टू से दैट इसमें जो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स है ऑल रिटायर्ड IAS ऑफिसर्स, IPS ऑफिसर्स, IFS ऑफिसर्स. मोदी सर के खास एडवाइज़र इज़ आवर चेयरमैन. सो आई कैन सिट बैक एंड क्राई दैट मैंने यूपीएससी क्रैक नहीं किया. बट हाउ डू आई गो अहेड? I need to find a way. I can't sit and cry the whole day. I need to find a way. So I incorporated this non-profit organization where we are onboarding all the retired bureaucrats, diplomats, and also working on international relations. मेरे colleagues जब company secretary मेरा profile देखते हैं, I stand out of the box. I am nowhere compared to their profession. So this is how I decided my journey, and no doubt I am thankful to Allah, my parents and my mother-in-law, my husband, who are the greatest support for me. They had been taking care of myself, my family when I keep touring around, and they are a great support to me. I would like to hear any questions from you. Times I could not make out because I keep traveling overseas so much, but this time I made sure I should oblige to sir and be present here. If any one of you is getting inspired from me or my story, I will be thankful for Allah and to the community as well. This is for you girls. I'm not a शायर like you, sir. वो लोग कभी गरीब नहीं होते, वो लोग कभी गरीब नहीं होते जिस घर में बेटी जैसी दौलत होती है. So I have that emotional connection with daughters. When I was driving also, I was feeling so emotional. What will I talk to these girls? When I talk about mother and daughter relation, मेरे आंखों में आंसू आ जाता है. And when I was carrying, my first child was son. No doubt it's an honor. I mean, I was very happy. But when I was pregnant second time, बस मेरी एक ही दुआ थी कि बेटी हो जाए. And all my in-laws, they predicted that बेटा ही होगा. But मेरे मम्मा, नहीं बेटा तेरे को बेटी होगी इस बार. So even though I was in so much pain when the doctor said it's a girl, I just got jumped out of the bed in such pain. So बेटियाँ मेरे दिल के पास रहती है. No doubt बेटा is also there, but बेटे माँ से उतना कनेक्ट नहीं होते, फैमिली से कनेक्ट नहीं होते जितना बेटियाँ होती है. So I don't know what to speak before you. I would like to share my journey, how I started. आपके जो भी questions है पूछिए. अल्लाह का फजल है, I am here today, but my journey was not so easy. I come from a very down to earth, very middle class family, and my dad, he has 6 sisters, unmarried sisters. And his father passed away. मेरे दादा जान passed away, so the entire family responsibility was on him. I have 2 more siblings, one elder brother and one elder sister. So whenever हमारे पास कुछ खाने के लिए पहुंचना या कपड़ों के नए ईद के कपड़े पहुंचना होता, पहले वो 6 सिस्टर्स को पास करके हमारे पास आता था. एंड आई वुड से साल में हार्डली 2 जोड़े कपड़े नए मिलते थे ईद के लिए. एंड इतने भी हम लोग अमीर नहीं थे, स्कूल फीस पे करने के लिए भी बहुत तंगी थी. बिकॉज डैड ऑलवेज यूज टू गिव प्रायोरिटी टू सिस्टर्स, बिकॉज इट वॉज हिज मोरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. And my mom used to say when she was pregnant, she was feeling to eat non-veg and all, but they didn't have money to feed her. I know it looks bad, but when I think positively, I take it as positively, because my dad has made the future of those 6 sisters. They are well settled. Allah ke fazal se I am happy today. And my dad, we used to feel so happy. कुछ किसी की शादी का बुलावा आया है, oh we will eat happily, so many varieties and all. But my dad, you know what he used to say? If we take 2 chicken pieces extra, आपने 2 क्यों लिया? दूसरों को बराबर नहीं होगा. पहले वो दूसरों के बारे में सोचते थे, उनके फैमिली का लास्ट सोचते थे. आप एक्स्ट्रा क्यों लिए, वेस्ट हो जाएगा, दूसरों को बराबर नहीं हुआ बोल के अल्लाह चिल्लाते थे, मारते भी थे. बट टुडे व्हेन आई थिंक अबाउट दिस, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज गुड डीड्स, द वे ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड हिज वेल्थ, वी आर सेटल्ड, वेल सेटल्ड इन ए गुड मैनर्ड फैमिली, वेल एजुकेटेड. दैट्स द बरकत वी हैव टुडे एट आवर होम. Even today, he is 76 years. Even today, he thinks about outsider. उन्हों खाना खाए या नहीं खाए वो नहीं सोचते. घर वाले खाए, घर में दामाद है, नहीं, पहले बाहर वालों को देना, उसके बाद कुछ बचा तो घर वाले खाएंगे. So the new damads have tried changing him. We tried changing him. Daddy, आपके दामाद को जरा इज्जत दो. No, he doesn't change. So we decided, let him be his way. Whatever he is doing good for the society, it is coming back to us. So I'm sharing this because I never had that silver spoon when I was born. And I was not so strong enough to stand before the stage in my 10th standard to talk to the audience. I was very bad. I was an average student, and I was ranked 12 in class in students of 25. So almost 50%. I was a very, very average student. So when I completed my 10th, as I told you, my family didn't have so much money to pay for me for engineering or BPC. I didn't have a choice to choose that BPC or MPC because they were very costly. And Chaitanya, Nalanda, they charge a bomb. So I was forced to take MEC. which was the lowest course in a normal college. So I completed my MEC. Then MEC के बाद, then the turning point was company secretary course. Company secretary course, why did I choose? ये course भी, I heard from lot of people that it is a good course for ladies, and the pass percentage is only 3% in the entire India. आप अगर वो crack कर दिए, there is no looking back. And the fee was hardly some 6,000 per annum. That was the easy 6,000 तो okay, manageable था. Because it is very less fee, I opted for CS. So +2 होने के बाद CS ले लिया मैंने. CS लिया, एक बार लिखा, fail हुआ. Then the turning point was when entire my friends group has passed and I was behind. I used to study 15 to 16 hours. You don't believe, 15 to 16 hours बाहर बालकनी में दरवाज़ा लगा के लाइट के नीचे बैठ के पढ़ती थी. 15 to 16 hours I could crack company secretary, one of the youngest company secretary in the India, 21 years. I completed company secretary. When we crack company secretary, you can write any exam easily. LLB का लिखा मैंने exam. I didn't go to college for one day also, sir. All 3 years papers I wrote complete 27 days, 999 papers. I was university topper. All my friends who just saw me in the exams, they asked, how did you do this? I said, my pillar is my company secretary. You ask me any question in company law, I can write anything. I can talk to any number. So that was also a turning point, and I shifted to Bangalore with my dad because my dad was posted in Bangalore. So I had no one. I wanted to apply for a job, but I know no one in Bangalore. So what did I do? I took all the big company names from Google. I printed my resume, some 100 copies. सबको letter envelope लिखकर सबको courier किया. 100 में से 5 लोग तो बुलाएंगे. So luckily, couple of companies called me, and in my first interview, I failed bitterly. Then I learned what mistake I did in my first interview. I didn't want to repeat that. I worked on my knowledge. Then I cracked my second interview. I was well settled in ING Vaishya company. So when I joined the company, so लोग इतनी कम उम्र में इतना बड़ा पोजीशन कैसे आ गया इनको. So कंपनी सेक्रेटरी रोल आपको पता है या नहीं, I don't know, but the company secretary will be the only person who sits with the board of directors. बोर्ड मीटिंग में बैठते हैं, and the board meeting was in Bombay. I was placed in Bangalore. So this president who didn't like me because of my young age and the knowledge I had, he said, you travel to Bombay in train. I said, okay, I can travel. But the chairman from Bombay sent me an air ticket saying she will be traveling in the airfare. So in the first month only, Allah ke karam se, I was able to fly for my first board meeting. See, people will try to create hurdles for you. Take it as a challenge. Because when something falls back, Allah has written something good for you in the way forward. You just have to work hard on yourself. I would say the best power of any girl is knowledge, education. See, when I was married, I hardly had only 2 qualifications: company secretary, LLB, and